The rude waiter. Anna felt excited as she walked into sunny Side Café. It was her favorite restaurant, with yellow walls and the smell of fresh coffee. Today was special, she had just gotten a promotion at work. She wanted to celebrate with their famous chocolate cake. She sat at a small table by the window. A waiter named Leo came to her. He didn't smile. "What do you want?" he asked, not looking at her. Anna was surprised. "Hello," she said politely. "Could I see the menu, please?" Leo sighed loudly. He handed her a menu without a word. Then he looked at his watch, as if he was in a hurry. Anna tried to be friendly. "How are you today?" she asked. "Busy," Leo said shortly. "Are you ready to order or not?" Anna decided to order a sandwich and a coffee. "I'll have the turkey sandwich and a latte, please." Leo wrote it down quickly. "Anything else?" he asked, still not making eye contact. She was trying to be patient, but this was too much. "I've been waiting for a long time," she said, her voice firm but calm. "I would appreciate it if you could bring my cake now." Leo muttered something under his breath and walked away. 5 minutes later, he came back with the cake. He placed it on the table so hard that the plate made a loud noise. "Here's your cake," he said rudely. Anna took a deep breath. She looked at Leo directly. "You know," she said, "I came here to celebrate because I got a promotion today. But your service has made me very unhappy. Is everything all right with you?" For the first time, Leo looked surprised. He didn't expect her to ask about him. "It's none of your business," he said, but his voice was less sharp. "I think it is my business when it affects my experience here," Anna said. "I always liked this cafe. But today, you've been impatient and unkind to me and other customers. Maybe you don't realize how you're acting." Leo was quiet for a moment. He looked around the cafe, then back at Anna. I have a lot on my mind," he said slowly. "Everyone has problems," Anna said gently. "But we can still be kind to each other." Just then, the manager, Mr. Davis, came over. He had heard part of their conversation. "Is everything okay here?" he asked with concern. Anna hesitated. She didn't want to get Leo in trouble, but she also wanted to be honest. "I was just telling Leo that I've had a disappointing experience today," she explained. Mr. Davis nodded seriously. He turned to Leo. "This isn't the first complaint I've had about your service this week, Leo. We need to talk about this." Leo's face turned red. He looked down at his feet. "I'm sorry," he mumbled. Mr. Davis apologized to Anna and offered her the cake for free. But Anna had an idea. "Actually," she said, "I think Leo and I should talk for a moment. If that's okay." Mr. Davis looked surprised but agreed. He went back to his office, leaving Leo and Anna alone. Anna pointed to the chair opposite her. "Would you like to sit down for a minute?" Leo looked uncertain, but he sat down. "Why are you being nice to me?" he asked. "I was rude to you." "Because everyone has a story," Anna said. "Do you want to tell me what's wrong?" Leo was silent for a long time. Then he started talking. "My mother is sick," he said quietly. "She's in the hospital. The medical bills are expensive, and I have to work extra shifts here. I'm worried about her all the time. I know it's not an excuse, but—" His voice trailed off. Anna felt sympathy for him. "I'm sorry to hear that," she said sincerely. "That must be very hard." "It is," Leo said. He finally looked at her properly. I've been taking my stress out on customers. I know it's wrong. I don't know what to do. Have you talked to Mr. Davis about it? Anna asked. Leo shook his head. I was afraid I might lose my job if I said anything. Maybe he can help, Anna suggested. Maybe you could reduce your hours for a while, or get some support. Just then, Mr. Davis returned. He had been listening from a distance. Leo, he said, why didn't you tell me about your mother? We could have worked something out. Leo looked ashamed. I thought I had to handle it alone. At Side Café, we're like a family, Mr. Davis said. We help each other. You can take some time off to be with your mother. We'll figure out the schedule. Leo's eyes filled with tears. Thank you, Mr. Davis. And thank you, Anna, for being so understanding. Anna smiled. I'm glad I could help. And for what it's worth, I think you're a good son for working so hard to help your mother. From that day on, Leo changed. When he came back to work after spending time with his mother, he was a different person. He smiled at customers, remembered their orders, and always asked how they were doing. He even started recommending the chocolate cake with a genuine smile. Anna became a regular customer at the cafe. Every time she visited, Leo would greet her warmly and thank her again for her kindness. He told her that his mother was getting better, and that he was grateful for the support. One sunny afternoon, Anna came to the cafe with her friends. Leo saw her and immediately came over. Hello, Anna. Your usual table by the window is available. And I saved the last piece of chocolate cake for you. Anna laughed. You're the best, Leo. As she sat with her friends, enjoying the cake and coffee, she felt happy. She had learned an important lesson that day, that behind rude behavior, there is often a story of pain or worry. And sometimes, a little kindness can change everything. The cafe was bright and cheerful, filled with the sound of happy conversations. Leo moved between tables, helping customers with a positive attitude. He had turned from the rude waiter into one of the most beloved staff members at Side Café. All because one customer decided to look beyond the rudeness and offer a moment of understanding.